only 1 in 100 people get this answer correct. So the question is 6 divided by 7 divided by 6 divided by 7. So this is how most of you guys solve this question. 6 by 7 divided by 6 by 7, and most of you guys get the answer of +1, but this is wrong. This is not how you solve this question, because according to order of operations, PEMDAS rule, P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. We solve from left to right. Here you can see there are 3 divisions. So this is how you will solve them. The right method, 6 divided by 7 divided by 6 divided by 7. This is how you will solve it. 6 divided by 7 would first we will solve from left to right. So 6 divided by 7 will be 6 by 7 divided by 6 divided by 7. Then we will solve it like this: 6 by 7. Then this divide will become multiplication and divided by 7. Again it would be 6 divided by into multiplied by 1 by 6 into 1 by 7. Then there is multiplication. Then we will again apply left to right rule. Then the answer would come out be 6 get cancelled, and 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 7. So answer would be 1 upon 49. This is the correct answer, 1 upon 47.